Guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Godzilla vs. Kong review. We've got the minifigures from Canada, and I finally tracked down the Kong and the Behemoth figure. Sometimes they're harder to find in certain Walmarts and sometimes they're not, but I managed to scoop these two up, and now I've got the complete lineup, so we're going to be taking a closer look at these two. You can see Kong's actually got pretty nice face paint. His eyes are well done for this tiny scale of figure. The teeth are kind of nice. They just kind of made like a little line, a little, you know, smudge there. So it kind of goes down on the sides, kind of like Kong has fangs, that little half circle, and they got the tongue painted, the bottom teeth painted, even that big scratch, big scar on Kong's chest, and I think there's some light brushing on the back and the arms, which is really nice. And then the Behemoth, one of the most sought after figures. This guy's crazy on the internet. Like, I was hoping we'd get a normal scale figure by Playmates of this guy, but no, I don't know if we are getting that, but it's cool that they did it in a small form, or any form at all, because this guy is one of the fan favorites, I guess. It's just such a cool looking monster. Kind of resembles a mastodon, a mammoth, but it's got those big gorilla forearms, which is crazy, and a tiny little trunk. So we'll tear this open and take a look at the face. I really want to see this guy out of package. I think it's very cute. And what's cool about the packaging, you can see it's got the name on there on the plastic, Behemoth. And this one's a pretty bulky figure. So there we go. You can see it's got these bumps going down the back, these big spine things. Ooh, I guess I left them out in the hot sun. They're kind of malleable. That's not good. But you can see there's a little trunk going down there. It's got eyes painted on there. Whew, that's an intimidating looking beast. It's got little forearms. Let's see what those front arms look like in comparison to Kong's arms. Kong's in a more stationary position, just kind of standing there. Pop Kong out, there he is. Looking like a little monkey. Oh, he's double cheeked up. That's nice. Got that detail in well. Oof. There's his little monkey feet, little monkey arms. I guess if you leave them out in the sun, even if they're not hot, that you can move them around fine, but you can kind of pull his arms out a bit too. There's his little face. So let's compare him next to the Behemoth. Oh yeah, those arms are a lot longer. You can actually hold him like that. Hold the monkey. Swing the monkey. So that's pretty cool. It'd be cute photography of like the Lion King or whatever. The Monster King. I think I might try that. I don't know how it's gonna play out. I guess I can do it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. That actually sounds kind of fun, because I've got all those little guys back there. So, these figures are pretty cute. They're fun. I think they might line up with some of the older small figures. So if you have like the little buildings that can break apart, or the Mutos from the first Godzilla movie, I think they came in this smaller scale, which is really nice. So yeah, no, these are really great. Even the little paint details are nice. You can see the tusks on the Behemoth have some sort of mossy, it's kind of green, kind of brown, brush over it, and it highlights a bit of the details, like these parts right here that are hanging off. So that's really cool. I was kind of wishing for more paint detail on the arms and the back, but you get what you get for $3. Which is pretty cheap in comparison to like the Jurassic World minis, which are really pricey in comparison. But I guess these guys don't have moving parts, so that's like part of why they're probably so cheap. But they've got lots of paint detail, which is pretty cute, especially for their size. And they're great. They're little gifts, little toys, little trinkets, collectibles. Kind of sad that they're not out in the States. When I first saw them, I was looking on eBay and they were really expensive, but it's crazy. I was expecting them to be like, I don't know, $7 in the stores, but they're actually pretty cheap, which is nice. And I love the little face details they managed to put on these guys. Like, that is adorable. It'd be great if these were sold like everywhere. I don't know why they're not. They're at Walmart, and it's not like Walmart's an exclusive place to find stuff. Like, Walmart's everywhere, so these guys should be, and it just doesn't make sense because they're part of the main line. They're Playmates, so, like, you know, those big guys right there, they're part of that lineup, right? And those guys are found everywhere, but I don't know why these guys aren't. Another little pet peeve I have is the fact that, you know, Mechagodzilla is not in here despite being one of the main parts of the movie. It didn't really make sense. It's not like these guys were released like before the movie. We just got these here in Canada like a few days ago, which is kind of odd. Maybe they were released elsewhere, like during the movie's production or release or whatever, but regardless, it would be neat to have it. But instead, we got the Hellhawk, and the Hellhawk's pretty neat. It's a cool species we, I guess, saw a bit of screen time with. Would have been cool to get Doug, or whatever he's called, the little Pteranodon guy. It would have been nice to have that guy in this size. Maybe there might be a wave 2 of these, and we'll get to see Mechagodzilla and Doug made as figures. And hopefully it would be really neat to see like the expanded, you know, Scalia or whatever it's called, and the other Mudo. Would be really cool to have just a whole diverse little range of these mini monsters, kind of like how Jurassic World has a nice diversity in their blind bags. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. It was super fun to make, and I'm just loving these figures. Like, look how adorable they are. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure to check out my other ones on my channel. I've taken a look at these guys, and I think I've reviewed the larger Playmates figures. I'm not sure, but yeah, no, they're pretty fun. Again, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.